Discover Taipei, a city where shopping experiences range from the ultra-luxurious to the delightfully eclectic. From high-end shopping malls to bustling night markets, Taipei offers a unique blend of modern sophistication and traditional charm. Taipei 101 is one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Inside this well-known mall, you'll find a world of luxury with high-end shops featuring international brands. This towering skyscraper is not only an architectural marvel, but also a shopper's paradise where opulence meets sophistication. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion, fine jewelry, gourmet food, tea, beautiful displays, even cooking classes, Taipei 101 offers a premium shopping experience. Contrasting this is the vibrant Wanhua district, particularly around Fumen. Here the streets come alive with vendors selling a fascinating array of wares. From antique treasures and vintage clothes to a variety of herbs and spices, this area is a treasure trove for those seeking unique finds. The bustling atmosphere filled with the sounds of haggling and the aroma of street food adds to the charm of this eclectic shopping destination. The Xinlin Night Market is the biggest and most famous night market in Taipei. As the sun sets, this market transforms into a lively carnival of lights, sounds, and smells. You'll find everything from trendy clothes and accessories to quirky trinkets and souvenirs. Whether you're hunting for Disney merchandise, Asian pop culture items, American fashion, Xinlin Night Market has it all. Known as the tourist night market, Wasi Street offers a blend of traditional and modern shopping experiences. This market is famous for its array of traditional Chinese medicine shops, exotic foods, and unique souvenirs. The illuminated arches and bustling stalls create a vibrant atmosphere that draws both locals and tourists alike. There's something here that's intriguing at every turn. Each district and market has its own unique charm, making shopping in Taipei a delightful adventure.